it. For Hatch, this is your plan document, and you first erase what's existing. Okay, all you have to just erase it. Because when you erase it, it will be gone. Okay. Make sure you enter. Now, if you want to hatch it, all you have to do is go to Home, and then go to this little, see this draw panel, and then go to here, and you can see the hatch. All you have to just click on it, and we usually use the RSHKE is a pattern. Yeah, so of course there are many other patterns you can do. Doesn't have to be always this one, but for this exercise, see, all I have to do is just click on it. Okay, we go to Home and we go to Hatch, and it will go into the Hatch command, which is this bar right here. Everything about the Hatch control is right there, and you choose a pattern here, and then of course your layer is this, and also make sure that your layer, okay, it's either 25 or viewport. Okay, you can also go with the 25 of course if you want to go with the blue, but make sure your layer is correctly displayed. If you go with 0, it will be printed on 0. Okay, so make sure whichever layer that you set. In my AutoCAD, I set it on viewport for this, of course, a roof hatch layer. So you shouldn't have any kind of issue to do the hatch. Okay, so if you want to delete this, then you can of course delete, go in there, and of course do that. If you don't want to delete, just you can keep the pattern like this. Yeah. Okay, it's really easy to go in. See, all I do is click on it. This is where erase is. You can erase anything you want. Just click, yeah, and then enter. It's going to erase. Okay. Make sure you practice erase the hatch and then put the hatch back in. All right. And try with many different kinds of pattern. Doesn't have to be always the same pattern on the hatch. Okay, and try that. So let me go ahead and turn this off and send it to you.